see me, but I just finished cutting my grass for the first time. And boy, that shit snuck up. Like, this shit got tall in no time. It wasn't even grass, it was like clovers and weeds and shit. I just got here one day, I'm just like, oof. I got stuck back there. It's not the best idea to cut grass at night. But I wanted to get it done today. But I worked today. I worked till like 5:30. So, fuck it. And she's a unit. Oh my God. Yeah, that's the one that got stuck. You know I had to brand it. But man, thing is sick. It's the first time getting to do car stuff at my new house, and I don't even get to work on my own car. That sucks. And for all the oil changes I've ever done, for some reason I still haven't bought a funnel. So, cut water bottle it is. Hinges, they're not for sale no more. Thank you for your offers. She's also been working pretty hard since I've been gone. Or not gone, but like at work. All the doors are done?
All the doors are done and ready to be put up. I don't feel much out of this one either.
Stop! Get out! What are you doing? I know to some of you this just looks like a hole, but the air coming out of that hole is cool, and that's amazing. And not just because it's cool outside, it's like I have AC now, and it's awesome. Mom.
I don't know how I did it.
If you want to do polka dots, you could have just said so.
I wanted to do polka dots. I tried it out. You don't like it? They're black. They match the doors perfectly.
Solid 2 out of 10. Should be more prepared next time we do this.
Why, you don't like using a paint stick for cement?
There's actually 2 of them.
Taped together. Oh, I didn't get it.
Paint sticks are for paint, not concrete. Man, today we got the roof. We got the roof cooking. It's the rocks and the cement. It might be a little hard on the teeth, so if you got the false teeth, I wouldn't recommend eating it. But man, if you like eating them corn chips, this is the stuff for you. Man, whatever your mom cooked, I guarantee this is better. Okay, maybe this one's a little watery, but it'll get the job done. Joey! That was fun.